Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today, what I'm gonna show you guys is our Yesoul G1M Plus exercise bike. So thank you Yesoul for sending us this exercise bike, and I'm gonna show you guys the features of this exercise bike. It comes with an immersive 21.5 inches 1080 FHD screen. This screen has speakers as well and a knob to control the volume. It has a vented comfortable seat right here, and it's adjustable. It has a very stable frame structure design. You can move it around. You just have to tilt it like this and it rolls, and it's so easy to transfer it from one place to another. To use this monitor, we have to connect it to Yesoul app, or without the app, it shows the RPM, also the calories burned, also the miles. You can connect your tablet or your phone to the monitor if you want to watch your favorite show or YouTube videos or videos. Okay. I also like that you can move the screen back and forth. That is a really nice feature of this bike. This is what the app looks like. There's some free videos in there. And if you have a subscription, you can choose the world view mode.
Boating. So to connect an iPhone, you'd want to use this Type-C, USB Type-C, and plug it into the back of your monitor right here. Into your iPhone.
Wow. Oh my goodness. So definitely this is for the whole family. My kids love to use this bike as well. So if you guys want to check out this Yesoul G1M Plus, I will link it in the description box below, and also you'll get $100 off. Use the coupon code. Thank you guys.